Hello. So your machine will be ready in like 3 to 4 days from now, and the working size of this machine is 3.2 meters width and 6 meters length, and the machine size, the line size, is about
6.95就可以。
So the machine line size, the length is about 6.9 meters. So we will measure the width. So here is our factory. As you can see, we have a lot of frames as in stock. So we have a lot of orders now. So the machine width is about 3.7 meters.
实际工作面积是3.2。
Yeah, the actual working size of this machine is 3.2 meters.